Hello, I'm Adrian. Today, I'll take you on a journey through history to the remarkable city of Glasgow in 1860. Don't forget to subscribe.
In 1860, Glasgow stood at the heart of industrial Britain.
The River Clyde carried the weight of ambition.
Shipbuilding defined Glasgow's identity.
Streets moved with trade and labor. Factories worked from dawn to night. Coal fueled the industrial age. Gas lamps lit the long nights.
Labour shaped everyday life.
Railways connected Glasgow to Britain.
Faith guided many families.
Homes were simple but resilient.
Skilled hands met daily needs.
Transport slowly evolved.
Daily chores filled long hours.
Every trade had value.
Families lived in tight spaces.
Education promised a future. Ideas spread through ink.
News traveled by print.
The river fed many lives.
The city expanded steadily.
Bridges carried constant movement.
Each launch symbolized pride.
Goods moved without pause.
Order watched the streets.
Weather never stopped work. Glasgow reached beyond Scotland.
Nightfall slowed, but never ended labor.
Fatigue marked honest work.
Work continued after dark.
Poverty followed progress. Warmth meant survival. Time was ruled by sound.
Numbers tracked success.
Life unfolded in close quarters.
Mist softened iron skylines.
Tradition echoed each day.
Another workday ended.
Darkness settled over the city.
The river reflected its ambition.
Smoke marked relentless growth.
Days ended with tired steps.
An industrial giant in the making.
Glasgow stood ready for a new age.